I'd say you nailed it.
You wanna hire me?
She's currently unemployed. It's day 2 here in Dalat, and we're at one of the many cafes here in town. Over the past 3 weeks, we've really enjoyed the many different varieties of Vietnamese coffee. But what we didn't realize is that they're the second largest coffee producer in the world. Most of that coffee is grown in southern Vietnam, and Dalat is a very popular place for that. So today we're going to be doing a half-day tour of one of the plantations.
We may or may not have come back to the same place for breakfast today because it was just so good yesterday. We should have about a 20-minute drive outside of town.
We're gonna get a cup of coffee before we get started.
That's really good. You wanna try?
And the soil to grow coffee, the pH suitable for it is 5 to 6.
We just got a half-hour lesson about coffee and what they grow here, and now we're gonna head out to the farm.
You have to remember, and then I'll ask you again.
Okay, we're gonna have a quiz.
Taking a lesson. Yeah?
So longleaf longberry equals
Typica.
typica.
Yeah.
Got it. So we learned that they grow different trees here along with the coffee called companion trees, and these are used to provide nutrients to the soil and also to help keep insects away.
We also learned that one of the keys of the coffee belt is that it rains just enough that they don't have to water the trees.
Machine to put a little water in it.
15, 16.
Yeah.
Oh, and you said
15 or 16.
16 was the right amount for harvest?
Yeah, right.
Well, hello there.
You're so cute. Hi.
Oh.
You feel pretty dry.
But you have to check it.
No?
Not ready, not ready.
Not ready.
With wet process, we have to let it dry to 10 to 12%.
Oh wow.
Now we're going to learn about the roasting process.
Before roasting coffee, you just have to risk compound that create aroma and flavor. After roasting coffee, you can develop up to 800 compounds. That's right. That is the main reason why we have to roast coffee. And you can smell it's like steam and crack. You have to check it by yourself.
I told you it was a test.
Okay.
It's ready?
How often do I test it?
Every 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. I got one.
Checking the steam.
Okay, it's orange.
That's orange?
Yeah.
Did I do good?
Good color, really good.
I'd say you nailed it.
What do you think's good?
Yeah.
You want to hire me?
She's currently unemployed.
Become a master just
We're not competitive at all, but it's my turn. Ooh, that's some good steam.
She's like, I know it smells like straw
Yeah,
now.
it's yellow
Oh.
right now.
4 minutes.
So now you blow for 1 minute, right?
Ooh, it looks orange.
It smells like a bakery.
It's orange now.
So 5 minutes.
Good thing you're the patient one.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Wow.
Smells really good.
Inside. We need 30 ml water for the first time. Go grab. Yeah. One, two, three.
Cheers. Proud of yourself?
I'm very proud of myself.
My turn. We were told you have to wet the paper to get rid of the paper smell before making the coffee.
Yo!
Good job for the first time.
How about that? Who's better?
That was such a cool experience. We learned so much about the coffee making process from start to finish. My favorite part was definitely being able to roast our own beans and make our own cup of coffee. And we even get to take our beans home with us. Thank you so much for everything. Bye-bye.
What an awesome day. Even though the Son Pacamara Farm's been open for 13 years, they've only been doing tours for a year, so I'm so glad we found that place. It should be on anyone's must-see list in Dalat.